Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make money online as a beginner with $0 and a phone. Yes, so whether you're a teenager, you're a stay-at-home mom, or you're a working adult, engaging in a side hustle doesn't just augment your income. It also grants you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests beyond your primary job. Thankfully, in today's world of digital era, it has ushered us in a plethora of side hustle opportunities. Who says it can't even be your main gig? Guys, there's a fantastic way you can make money. It is by starting a YouTube channel. Yes, so for those of you that know me, and beyond this channel, I have multiple channels. Can you guess how many channels I have? Just leave it in the comments. How many YouTube channels do you think that I have? Do you know you can make good money from starting a YouTube channel? You're welcome. So guys, starting a YouTube channel and monetizing your YouTube channel presents a fantastic opportunity for teenage creators. Yes, and even if you're not a teenager, you can generate income without traditional employment. Yes, I get paid every month by YouTube. I get my check. Yes, so and you choose your work hours as you like. So guys, YouTube has a vast user base and a global reach. YouTube offers a platform where you can showcase your unique talents and interests to a wide audience regardless of your location. Whether you're in any part of the world, you can start a YouTube channel, and there are countless niches to explore like beauty, gaming, lifestyle, tech, cooking, and so much more. It allows you to cater to your passion and expertise. Guys, to begin your YouTube journey, all you need is just your phone and basic editing software, yes, to create engaging and high quality content. Now, as you build your subscriber base and increase your viewership, you can start earning money through various channels, yes, through various means. Advertising revenue from YouTube's monetization program, sponsored collaborations with brands, and even merchandise sales are all potential income streams for YouTubers. Another way to make money is by blogging. Before we go to blogging, do you know that I'm also a YouTube coach? I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from day one. If you're interested in getting my service, in getting a free consultation, if you are interested though, if you have the financial, budget, you can send me an email and we can take it from there. I'll help you set up a profitable YouTube channel. Thank me later. So another way to make money online is by blogging. Guys, blogging offers an incredible platform to share your knowledge, your opinions, and your experiences with a global audience. Regardless of your interests, whether it's travel, fashion, food, or even personal finance, you can create a blog centered around your chosen topic. To launch a successful blog, you will need reliable hosting and a domain name that aligns with your niche. And I highly recommend Bluehost. It's an affordable and dependable provider for domain names and hosting services. Now, once your blog is up and running, there are various ways to also monetize your content. You can also join advertising networks like Google AdSense, yes, through blogging, and they display relevant ads on your blog, and they provide you with revenue based on the clicks and or impressions. Another option is to explore affiliate marketing. It's a way by which you earn a commission by promoting products or services from other companies. In addition to advertisements and affiliate marketing, you also have the opportunity to create and sell your own digital products. It can include ebooks, online courses, or downloadable printables that cater to your audience's needs and interests. Another way to make money is to work as a translator from the comfort of your home. Guys, in our interconnected world, the translation and interpretation industries are experiencing remarkable growth. They are opening up exciting investment prospects. So if you possess bilingual skills, if you can speak multiple languages, and you have the potential to seize this opportunity and benefit from escalating demand for language services, guys, translation services are required across various mediums like documents, audio, video, and so much more. Fortunately, several websites have emerged to meet this demand, and they provide platforms for freelance translators to discover lucrative job opportunities. And we have platforms like Tradew Guide. Yes, they offer a convenient way to connect with clients in need of translation services. Additionally, you can also consider registering with translation agencies to broaden your scope and increase your potential for success. Another way to make money is to manage social media accounts. If you have expertise in social media management, you have the opportunity to offer your valuable services to businesses in need of assistance with their social media marketing efforts. Many companies face challenges in maintaining a consistent social media presence, and they are eager to pay for professional support in this area. as long as you are able to. Nowadays it's even easy for you to take up the work of a social media manager. You can schedule the post in advance. As a social media manager, you provide a range of services which includes content creation, post scheduling, handling message responses on popular platforms like Facebook, like Instagram and Twitter. For you to find potential clients, you can consider reaching out to businesses in your industry directly, or even leverage freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can showcase your skills and connect with people that are seeking social media management expertise. For instance, I have a personal assistant that posts on my social media platforms, and you can get a job that way too. She gets paid monthly. I pay her a salary every month. So you can do the same thing as well. You can earn money from the comfort of your home, whether you're a student or not. So in case you're wondering, how can you make $1,000 a month as a teenager without a job? Guys, you can make $1,000 as a teenager without a job by engaging in some high-paying online side hustles or business ideas for teenagers. Freelancing is there. Affiliate marketing is there. Print-on-demand businesses can help you achieve these targets. And in case you're wondering, how can a teenager earn passive income online? See, you can earn passive income online as a teenager by leveraging an easy-to-launch passive income idea that requires little or no capital, like affiliate marketing, email marketing, and the sale of digital printables. Now, in conclusion, there are numerous opportunities for teenagers to make money without a traditional job. I've discussed some of them in today's video to earn income, develop valuable skills, and gain real-world experience while all maintaining flexibility and independence. And of course, with determination, resourcefulness, and a willingness for you to learn, teenagers can embark on a journey of financial empowerment from this early age and pave their way to success. Guys, please watch out for my next videos. I'm going to be sharing 5 side hustles for students. If you're a student, you don't want to miss this for anything. You will never be broke again. Like I always say on this channel, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I will be sharing with you easiest ways to make money online for beginners, at least $100 per day as a student. So watch out for my next video. It promises to be explosive. Guys, if you have any questions for me, feel free. Oh my goodness, I've not introduced myself yet. I'm sorry. If you're new here, if you're new to this channel, if you're seeing this gorgeous screen for the first time, please introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys, thank you. Thank you. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. I see you guys. Thank you. God bless you. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description and the comments. And when you join my Patreon community, you get free access to me. You get direct and full and free access to me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. You can book a free consultation with me and we can discuss all of these amazing stuff to help you become the best version of yourself. Guys, like I said, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And when you are ready, when you're serious about making money, you're going to spend less time watching TV. You're going to spend less time hanging out with people. You're going to spend less time doing unproductive things. And at some point, you will not even do those unproductive things anymore. I'm telling you. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually make money from the comfort of your home. But then, I will see you in my next video. I don't want this video to be too long. I'll see you guys in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing. And I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express. And I will see you in my next video. Catch ya. Bye.